Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and the Mountain Masochist IV from Columbia is going to keep you comfy out on the trail. This trail running shoe is built for the Overpronator with high energizing cushioning and lots of comfort with a heel-to-toe differential of 8mm. You've got that abrasion-resistant mesh, and combined with the 3D printed overlays, you've got enhanced fit and support with lots of lightweight flex, as well as breathability. You've got that speed lacing system, so you don't have to worry about those pesky laces out on the trail. And down on the inside, you've got that removable foam fit footbed with the perfs for underfoot comfort and lots of anatomical support for that overpronation. And down in that midsole, we've got the full-length FluidFoam midsole, which is providing cushioning, flex, and tons of lightweight support. And on the inside, you can see we have the FluidGuide technology that's promoting that midfoot stability for a smooth ride. And of course, all of that good stuff is riding on top of that super flexible Gryptonite outsole with those flex grooves and TrailShield that's delivering optimal underfoot protection. So conquer that trail that you've been trying to get through, this bad boy from Columbia.